Welcome back to Barnes Barbecue and Southern Cooking. I'd like to thank you all for watching. And remember, down here in the far corner, click that subscribe button. It means a lot. Like the video if you want. Leave some comments. Tell me whether it's good or bad. I take the criticism with the good or the bad. You know, I'm not perfect, but as you can see, we're going to be doing some chicken legs tonight. I'm going to marinate them. Try something different. I told the wife I was going to completely use just the Italian dressing like I did before. But I'm going to use some Lowry's teriyaki marinating season. I'm going to throw a little kosher salt in there. And some chicken. Let's get these things in the bag here. Oh, and by the way, yep, as you can see, Mama Kelly don't like the skin on them. So I already went and pulled all the skin off. I was fine with my bad thumb right now. Yard work all day, but I got them done. And yeah, normally I'd wear a glove, but I've already been doing that. I'll wash my hands right after this. Get these in here. And I just got a Ziploc freezer bag. Let me get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and try this teriyaki. I already got it open. We're just going to... Oh man, that's some good thick stuff. There we go. We're going to mix it up tonight. We're going to go ahead and use some of the Italian too. It might be nasty, but we'll find out. Grab some of this kosher salt. Oh man, this is brand new. It ain't even opened yet. Oh. Give me a second. We'll be right back. Alright, we back. Sorry about that. Kosher salt wasn't open already. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in there. Not much. I'm going to pour some beer on it. There we go. Dude, I just do my recipes how I want, when I want them. Sometimes I follow directions, a lot of times I don't. I didn't follow too many directions in them pork chops the other day, but oh man, everybody loved them. I have to get these mixed up good. As long as the bag don't tear open on me. Alright, there we go. Nice seasoning. Nah, that's fine, that's the leg. Oh, a little bit more. Get that all over. Alright, I'm going to go put this in the fridge, let it rest for a little bit. Oh, now I'll do some chicken on them. I ain't going to put it in. I already got the salt on them. Don't worry about that. But we're going to get these in the fridge. Let them sit here and marinate for about an hour or two. It's 2:54 right now, so we'll probably do about 2 hours. Then we're going to go fire the Weber kettle up and get these things smoking. See you folks in a few. Alright folks, we're back. Chicken's been marinating all that special sauce I put in. I ain't told Mom about what is in it. And I got my little helper here. She's going to help me sprinkle some spice on it. Hold on. Wait, let me get them all down in there first. A couple of them. Okay, go ahead and sprinkle some of them. Not too much, sprinkle it big. Alright, there you go. I'm going to put some more in there. Oh, we slinging juice all around. smelling good already. Oh, I think that's the last one. Oh yeah, sprinkle some more in there. I think that's all that, yep. Sprinkle it all over it good. Alright, give me a second. Hold on. Get them all mixed around. And then spread a little bit more on it. You gotta shake it. You got enough shake on it. There you go. Alright, that should be good. Oh, those are looking good, folks. What you think about those? What do you think, Ellie? How they smell?
Good.
Oh, you can't smell. You got boogers up your nose. You're sick. Alright, folks. Go fire the grill up. Weber. And of course, once again, I'm gonna use my Blues Hog sauce. I'm about out of it, but I'll put a little Sunnies in with it. Did the other night. Add a little more. We're gonna get everything ready, and we'll start smoking. See you guys out at the grill. All right, everybody, we're back. Sorry I'm rushing this one. We got a storm on the way in. I already feel the rain. No, they weren't fired up enough. All this cook's gonna do is what I want. We'll find out here in a few. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, folks. Grill's fired up. It's starting to rain. It's gonna be fun. You guys are gonna laugh at me. So we're gonna get these on. I'm cooking whether or not. Had enough issues tonight with the AC in the house leaking through the roof. Climbing up there. Should have had these done an hour ago, but we can let them cook here a little bit. I got a wetsuit when I used to fish. I can wear that when I come out. Give the tray to Mama Kelly, and you and Miss Ellie can go inside. All right, folks. Camera's in my pocket, still recording, but we're out here with bare feet. We got the smoker going, and as you can tell, it's raining. And we got more on the way in, but I'm cooking it. We eating dinner tonight. All right, everybody. There they are. Ain't trying to cook, but it's starting to rain. Rushing through this. We're gonna flip these over. Oh man, these things are gonna be good and juicy. Throw some in the front, throw some in the back. My woman's on the phone with my daughter, so she can't help me. We're getting them done. Get her done. You know how that is, folks. Oh, that's about to burn my arm. Oh, I don't know if I got that one yet or not. Oh, that chicken's still got a long ways to go. I hope it don't come in too soon. If not, I'll put my Bass Pro Shops outfit on, my weather gear, and I'll be out here still cooking. All right, see you in a few. All right, everybody. Be back. Oh, almost caught my head on fire. Mama Kelly out here. Oh, film me in the rain.
Yeah, it's drizzling.
We trying to beat the rain. I've had a bad day today. Oh,
Don't burn yourself.
don't burn myself. That's the fun part of cooking. There we go. We got the Blues hog sauce and some Sunny's hog, or
Sunny.
Blues hog sauce and the Sunny sweet sauce mixed together again. Like I said, I got some more Blues. Oh, Mama's phone's going off. We're trying to beat the rainstorm before the worst of it gets here. It's right here raining on us, but all right, we're gonna let these go, and we'll be back in a few minutes, folks. All right, folks. As you can see, I got my Bass Pro Shops Gore-Tex outfit on.
And those sexy feet. Look at those.
My sexy feet. You want to see those? We're getting these cooked. Even in the rain, we're doing it. I'm cooking dinner tonight. It'll be better than that last chicken video I had to erase because sound sucked on it. I'm sorry about that, folks. Sound on some of my last couple videos. I've been trying a microphone out, didn't work. But remember, right down here in this little corner, click subscribe. I've been enjoying that. I think today I got 67. If you like watching it, please subscribe, folks. Helps me out. Helps me buy some meat here. Oh, hold on. We're gonna coat these sides up, and I think we'll be done here in a little bit. I better watch my jacket.
Not
This
playing
thing
that
will
up.
melt for me here.
We paid too much for that jacket. Don't melt it.
That was like 10 years ago when I paid for this thing.
No, still.
Oh, a couple $100.
When you buy something that's good, it lasts a long time.
That's when I was a dumbass and I was out fishing 24/7, 365, and 32-degree weather, 100-degree weather. Oh man, them chicken legs looking good. What you all folks think?
It smells good too, baby.
All right, let me close this thing up so we can get this fire cut back down. All right, folks, we're back. Whoa. He's looking good. I'm gonna set them over here on the hot side real quick. Roll. Thank goodness that rain held off. Got my rain suit on still. I'm gonna pull it off. Man, these things are looking good. They're smelling good. Sit here a few minutes. We're gonna take them inside. Get ready for dinner. See you at the table. All right. Mom's getting hers.
Oh, look at that, beautiful.
What do you think, Mama?
Look at that
I'm gonna
juice.
suffer through all the rain and everything else. At least it didn't rain too bad.
Mmm.
There we go.
Hot.
Oh, I know it's hot.
Mmm. Wow.
I was up there feeding my dogs. The one I dropped on the ground, but ooh, there you got 360 view. Woo!
You sacrifice for the dog.
All right, time for dinner. See you folks next time.